Sure. So, one of the big problems that we've seen with other estate planning firms is that, somebody comes in and does a will, and then, they get it executed and then they leave, and then there's never any more contact, with the firm and with the client, sometimes for a decade. And we recognize that not only was that happening in other firms, it was actually happening in our firm. So one of the things we came up with as a value-added service for our clients is the ability to have a private client care program. And the concept is that for many clients, much like going for an annual review with your doctor, or annual checkup with your doctor, we actually have an annual review meeting. And for a fixed fee, we will sit down with you and with your advisors, your CPA, your financial advisor, and really look at, what's going on, what's changed since the last time we met. How are you doing, with the relationships that we've appointed in your wills? Do those need to be changed? Have you had any more children? Do you want to change your trustees? Is there anybody besides your kids that you want to leave anything to? Have you updated all your beneficiary, change of beneficiary forms for your life insurance? We'll talk with the CPA that's in the meeting and say, how are we looking from a income and tax standpoint? Could we reduce taxes if we did this plan or that plan? So the concept is basically just to have an annual, holistic, 360-degree kind of meeting whereby the client's best interests are constantly being reviewed at least annually, so that, you're protected as the law changes, as your particular circumstances change, so that it's almost like a tune-up to make sure that everything's up to date and that you're fully protected.